Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video you're going to learn how to make this beautiful puff sleeve with a little ruffle for a baby girl. So keep watching, let's move right into the video. I'm going to be drafting a simple pattern for this sleeve, and I already have my pattern paper laid flat on my table. The length of this pattern paper is 10 inches, while the wideness is 11 inches. Starting from the side of the pattern paper, I'm going to measure and mark 5.5 inches. Then I'm going to connect all the marks using my straight ruler from the top of the pattern paper to the hem. I'll come over to the down part and mark out the hem allowance of 1 inch. Then I'll connect all the marks using my straight ruler. From the top of the pattern paper, I'll come down by 4 inches. Then I'll connect the marks with my straight ruler again, but I'm not going to be rolling it all the way through. I'll rule and stop at this line at the center of the pattern paper, the 5.5 inches line. The next thing I'll do now is to use my free hand and make a curve towards the top of the pattern paper like so. Just watch and see the way I am curving it out, starting from this end to this middle line. At that point I'll just blend it properly, then we'll cut out. Now this is the part of the sleeve that will be cut on fold when cutting on fabric, so I'm just going to indicate unfold on that part. I'll proceed to cut out the unwanted part. Before I proceed, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the best time to do that. Thank you. So I placed 2 pieces of fabric on fold, and I used the sleeve pattern to cut out exactly the same shape. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and hem the down part of the sleeve using the hem allowance of 1 inch. Note that anything I do to one sleeve, I will repeat the same process on the second sleeve. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to use my hand needle and thread to make gathers at the top of the sleeve. I'll gather it to the size of the armhole I am working with. The next step is to come up by 2 inches starting from the hem of the sleeve, and this is after you must have hemmed the sleeve. You go up by 2 inches. You can even rule a line if possible to help you sew on a very straight line, because I'm going to be sewing an elastic on the 2 inches. Okay, you do the same thing for the other sleeve. So this is what it should look like after you must have made gathers at the top of the sleeve and sewn in the elastic. As you can see here, the white elastic was not enough. I had to use a black elastic for the second sleeve. That's life of a fashion designer. As you can see, the sleeve is ready to be fixed. It's already puffing, and this is just one of the many methods of achieving this. In fact, this is the lazy method. The last thing I'll do now is to take this to my sewing machine and fix it to the armhole. And this is what I have here after fixing. Isn't this beautiful? The link on how I made this beautiful dress will be in the description box. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.